come in here and do it so we can see you.
I just ran into something. I'm jumping. Whoa!
Can you put your hands up again like this? Both of them? There you go. You're doing it.
Oops, I found his. Can you show me how I jump?
I think you know how to jump. I think you should practice twirling.
I'm twirling.
There you go.
I'm doing it.
You're
Can
doing
you
it.
hold my hand, not take any pictures? I'm trying to dance with me. Now with me, Mommy.